Hello there, in this video we are going to be looking at how to create charts, how to create graphs within Microsoft PowerPoint as part of the ECDL qualification. First thing to be aware of, you can see here that I've got a nice slide. This is a title slide, this is just a normal title and content slide. You can see from the layout options that you can only do what we're about to do quickly on these different types of slides. Okay, if we go to section header, or if we brand it to title only, it won't let us access things nice quickly and easily. So here we've got 6 buttons, and in this video and in future videos we're only really interested in the top 3, and this one today we're looking at is inserting a chart, is the one right in the middle. So if you click on that, you'll come up with insert chart, and I've personally never seen an ECDL presentations exam where it's not been a clustered column chart. I've seen, for example, on the improving productivity looking at pie charts, but you've normally given the data for that. So I'm going to click on clustered column chart. And then you can see that I've got my chart here, and that I've also got this spreadsheet here which is opened up in Excel. Okay, so we've got the series, which are the different coloured bars, and then we've got the categories. So for now I'm going to write down Man United, I'm going to write Liverpool, I'm going to write Chelsea, and I'm going to write Luton Town. So you can see that already the chart itself is updated along the bottom. But what it hasn't done is we've not changed the series yet, so I'm going to go for wins, draws and losses. Okay, and then you can see that this is updated here, and if I update some of the numbers, so if I set that to 0, 0 and to 10, you can see that the numbers are changing all the time. So if I put that back to 3, you can then see that it magically appears. If I put wins to 4, you can see that it appears. So again, if I show you this with Liverpool, if I set that to 0, actually I'll be nice, I'll set it to 1, draws 15, you can see again that the size of the chart title is expanding as it's going in. If we change Chelsea to say 6, draw 7, losses 15, again you can see that the bars are increasing. And then finally, if I change say Luton Town to 52, you can see that the formatting on the left hand side has changed, 0 draws, 0 losses. Perfect season for Luton Town, what a surprise. What I can also do is I can add different chart elements. So I could add titles, I can add chart titles, I can add data labels, and then what these do, you can see them appearing within the graph themselves, and I can add that there. But for imagine we want to get rid of Luton Town for some bizarre reason, Lord knows why, you can see that we've got this blue box around the outside, and this is where the data is being selected, and you can see that there's a little blue box in the right hand corner. And you can see that when the cursor changes over it, that it changes to a shrink sign. So if I pull it up, you can see that Luton Town's row has been completely deselected. So we've left with Man United, Liverpool and Chelsea. Then for imagine, for example, we want to get rid of the losses, I can then just drag that over completely like that. Or if I only wanted to see Liverpool and Man United draws and losses, I can make sure I've got that data selected there. If I want to change the chart title, I can click on it, and I can write on there football teams. And I could also modify quick layouts and use different layouts. So for example, if I go for this one, it's changed the actual layout of the chart itself. I hope this video has been useful for you. Feel free to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in a future video. Bye bye.